Rhode Island is divided into 2 congressional districts, each represented by a member of the United States House of Representatives. It is the least populous state in the nation to have more than 1 congressional district. The districts are currently represented in the 115th United States Congress by 2 Democrats. Current districts and representatives. Historical and present district boundaries. Table of United States congressional district boundary maps in the state of Rhode Island, presented chronologically. All redistricting events that took place in Rhode Island between 1973 and 2013 are shown. District numbers are represented by the map fill colors. Obsolete districts. Rhode Island's at-large congressional district. Rhode Island's 3rd congressional district. References. See also. United States congressional delegations from Rhode Island.